Hi, boys and girls. It's me, Mr. Monica, again. Today we're going to read a story about cats and dogs. And this story is called Katie Loves the Kittens. This book is written by John Himmelman, and I'm reading it with permission from Scholastic Books. Katie Loves the Kittens. Today was the most exciting day in Katie's whole life. Sara Ann had brought home 3 little kittens. Katie loved those kittens so much. As soon as she saw them, she howled, "Ow! Ow!" She always howled like that when she was happy. But Katie's howling frightened the kittens. They ran in all directions. Katie chased them around the house. "Ow! Ow!" she howled. "No, no, no, Katie," said Sara Ann. "You are scaring the kittens. You stay away from them until they get used to you." Katie felt sad. She did not want to scare the kittens. Later that day, Sara Ann was playing with her new pets. Katie watched from around a corner. She wanted to play with the kittens too. She just loved them so much. She tried to control herself. She tried and tried and tried, but Katie couldn't stop herself any longer. She burst into the room. The kittens scattered. "Ow! Ow!" She howled as she chased them around the room. "No, Katie, no," said Sara Ann. "You scared them again." Katie felt even sadder than before. Poor little kittens, she thought. That night, the kittens slept with Sara Ann in her bed. Katie missed them already. Katie went out the kitchen door. She looked up at Sara Ann's window. That's where the kittens are, she thought. So what do you think she's going to do? She's outside of Sara Ann's window looking up. Let's see. She climbed up the bushes and looked in the window. The kittens were fast asleep. "Oh, what sweet little kittens," she thought. "I would love to smell them." She sniffed as hard as she could, but they were too far away. She quietly climbed onto the windowsill. She quietly slid under the window. And leaped on the bed. The kittens went flying in the air. Katie was so excited. "Ow! Ow!" she howled. Sara Ann picked up the dog. Katie, what am I going to do with you? Don't you like these kittens? Katie felt very, very sad. Poor Katie. In the morning, Katie walked into the kitchen. 3 bowls of food waited for her. She ate the first bowl. This is good, she thought. She ate the second bowl. Yum, 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 yummy, she thought. When she was halfway through the last bowl, Sara Ann walked in. Oh, Katie, you ate the kitten's food, she said. Poor Katie. Oh no, thought Katie. Now she felt sadder than ever. She went to her bed and lay down. I love those little kittens so much, she thought, and all I do is scare them and eat their food. Katie stayed in her bed all day. After a while, she fell asleep. When she woke up, she was not alone. The kittens had fallen asleep on top of her. Katie was so happy, she wanted to howl. She wanted to jump. She wanted to chase them all over the room and run around in circles and play with them. But she didn't. That's my good little Katie, said Sara Ann. The end. I hope you enjoyed today's story, my friends. I loved reading to you. I'll see you again very soon.